Hi, this is needlepointers.com. Have you seen this new looped yarn at Joann Fabrics or at Michael's? This is a new type of yarn that I found in the store, and I thought it was very interesting looking to see how we would use this yarn. This looped yarn makes it very easy for you to knit, even if you don't know how to knit. In this video, I will show you how to bind off at the end of all your rows. This is how you finish off your loops when you're done your project. And it's called binding off. And there's a similar technique in knitting, where you bind off. When you bind off, my last row came across this way. So when you bind off, you always start and go the same direction as your last row. So I'm going to start over here, and to bind off, you take the second loop and put it through the first loop. Pull it through. Then take that loop, or take the next loop and put it through the loop that you just had pulled through. Take the next loop, put it through. And we just continue across, pulling the next loop through the previous loop. So this is the last loop that I was working with, and this is my bind off loop. So I'm just going to put this last loop through. This is just a tail from when I was working. At this point I can carefully cut this tail off. And then, in order to finish off, you cut the loop on your last loop that you have, and then take a tapestry needle. This is a tapestry needle. It's got a really large eye in it, and this is very fluffy yarn, so it's a little difficult to thread through. But you thread that through, and then basically you weave it through some of the previous stitches. Just stick it through there and pull it through. Then you can cut this little tail off. And that finishes off your work. If you'd like to see more pictures of the binding off and step-by-step instructions written, you can click the iCard or the link in the description of this video in order to go to our website, needlepointers.com, where we'll have pictures and written instructions, which, if you can't see it well in the video, hopefully the pictures will help you to see how to do the stitch. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and by following us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or Google+. Visit our website by clicking the iCard to find the links to follow us. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, to find lots of other knitting and crochet projects and tutorials.